Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we learn singular and plural. Singular is one and plural are more than one. Look this number. This is pencil. This is pencil. Pencil is singular. It's one. And these are pencils. More than one. These are plurals. ज्यादा पेंसिल्स हो गई है ना तो ये प्लूरल हो गए. Singular is one pencil. Okay.
One book.
Yes, this is one book. Book.
And this is books.
These are books. Okay. And these are books. Book is singular. Book is singular and books are plurals. So many books. Plural is more than one. Okay, let's start.
Bat. C. A. T. Cat. Cats.
A.
T. Cats.
S. Cat is
Cat.
singular
Singular.
and cats are
Cat.
plural.
Plural.
Cats are plural.
Plural.
Cat one बिल्ली. Cats are ज्यादा बिल्लियां.
ज़्यादा भी है.
Okay. Next.
बोलो तो सही है.
Next is
Pot. P-O-T. Pot. Pots.
pot is singular. Pots are plural.
Plural.
Pot is one. Pots are more than one.
More than one.
Third one is dog.
Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dogs.
D-O.
D-O-G. Dog. Dogs. S.
Dogs.
Dogs.
Dog is one and dogs are
More than one.
So many dogs.
So many dogs.
Okay, next is book.
Book. Book.
Book.
Books.
Yes. B.
Double O. K. Book. S.
S. S makes plural. Okay. Next one is hat.
Hat. H-A-T. Hat.
Yes.
Hats.
Very good.
H-A-T-S. Hats.
Very good. Hat is one. Hats are more than
More
one.
than one. Hats.
Good. Next one is
Pen. B-E-N. Pen. And pens.
pens. Pens are plural. More than one.
More than one. Pens.
P-E.
Pen.
Pen.
S.
S makes plural. Pen is singular. Pens are plural. Pen is one. Pens are more than one. And the last one is door.
Door. D-O-O-R. Door. Z. Doors. More than one. D-O-O-R. S. Doors.
Doors.
For some more. Bye bye.